I got the piece for the beam chucked up in the 4-jaw chuck. Gonna center drill it and drill it for the 1/16 of an inch axle, and start working on turning it down. There's a protrusion or a boss that comes out, so this gets milled down on both sides, and where the axle goes through there's a little boss that steps out. So alright, bring you back in a couple of minutes. Well, as you can see, I've been slowly chipping away at this here, and I got to get this down to 1/8 of an inch. And this is that boss that I was talking about earlier. That's going to be 19/64 across, just a hair under 5/16. And so I'm going to keep at it. It's kind of boring to watch, so I'll bring you back when I'm just about done. Got about another 10 thousandths to take off of this. I'll turn this down, and I had flipped this over, and I'm going to turn this down nice and straight. I'll come back, put this in a collet, and then center up the other side of the hub, so it'll be concentric on both sides. So I'm going to take about another 10 thousand off of this. That'll bring that down to 125, and we'll get finished. Alright, the beam is pretty much done. It's thinned out. I got the 3 holes drilled. Now I'm gonna mill off these here tapers on either side. So it's a 1/2 inch at the widest point, and then it necks down to a 1/8 of an inch radius, which gives you a 1/4 inch height here. So I come up with this, get you in focus here. So I put a 1/16 of an inch drill bit in each of the holes. This is an 1/8 inch standard, and this is a 1/4 inch standard. And that should give me the taper that I need. If I just run the mill right across. So let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Alright, so I had this mill down. Now I put the drill bit in this side, put that standard on there, raise this up, and I'm going to mill that down. Alright, this is the beam all finished. Went over with some sandpaper, cleaned up some of the machine marks. I don't know what kind of alloy this is. This was a scrap from something. But it didn't machine as nice as the 6061. So, but all in all, it's all done. Alright, thanks for watching. And I welcome any comments or suggestions, anything like that. Alright, we'll see you soon.